When you start working on lips, you will realize that 80% of your client will have a bluish or purplish undertone of lips. Sometimes they have more darkness and freckles. So you need to first identify which undertone dominate in this particular client, and then you will already understand which color you will use to neutralize those lips. Evenflo has 2 sets for the lips, and it's a neutralizer set and lip set. Neutralizer set include 3 pigments in the box: is Illum, Neutralizer, and Colorizer. So Illum is the golden yellow corrector, Neutralizer is bright orange, and Colorizer is warm red. This set doesn't have any titanium dioxide, or 1 or 2%, so you can consider as there is no white in the pigment. We have also new yellow 97, which is opaque and has all functions from the titanium dioxide, so it can lift the darkness and cancel all cool purple tones. So it's very unique pigment in the market. You can use to warm up eyebrow, to neutralize eyebrows, to correct them, and you can always achieve neutral, natural results. Also, you can use on the lips straight. Yes, you can use yellow straight on the lips, and you will get more neutral color upon healing. I use this pigment in a mix usually with Colorizer when I'm working on dark, cool lips with a purple undertone. So next pigment is Neutralizer, is orange. Usually another orange correctors has a lot of titanium dioxide, so this pigment, it has 1% of titanium dioxide. This pigment is universal, you can use on lips or on the brows, and it doesn't have titanium dioxide, that's why you can use on eyebrow work as well. You can warm up eyebrow pigment, or you can use straight on lips. Yes, you can use straight because it's a perfect cocktail for the lips. It has already yellow 97, also red, and this red will give you this more natural healed results. So it's not gonna heal like very vivid orange color, right? Like if you're using orange tattoo pigment, you can achieve very like strong color. So with this color you can achieve very delicate, very natural results. Colorizer you can use straight on lips with a cool purple undertone, but not too dark, and you can create beautiful neutralization. But if the lips darker tone, yes, and still purple, you can add titanium dioxide, which is alter white, to lift the darkness. You can use also Colorizer as a final step when you're using Illum if you do a neutralization in a layering technique. So first layer is Illum and the final step is Colorizer, just to give more beautiful pink results, because if you use only yellow on the lips, of course the lips gonna look yellow for 3-4 days until they're gonna peel off. But if you add Colorizer, then it's gonna be more lip color. So let's review right now lip set when we can use on purple or blue lips. So we have 5 pigments in this set, and mostly of them on the warm undertone, so it's a perfect for any lips with a cool undertone. First pigment is Pear, it's peachy nude warm color, and you can use also for the blue or purple lips. It's very universal pigment, and it also will lift some darkness. So next one is Malina. You can use this pigment as well to cancel slightly cool tones. It's not gonna work on very dark lips, because for the very dark, like severe hyperpigmentation, you will need to use correctors. So, but if you have your client with slightly cool lips, this is perfect pigment. And then we have Lulu Siciliano. This pigment also suitable for the cool lips. If you add additional Illum, like 7 drops of Lulu Siciliano and 2 drops of Illum, you will create more opaque color, which is gonna also be very helpful for the cool lips. So when lips pale and has slightly coolish undertone, you can use clay straight and you can achieve beautiful neutral results. Yes, this is warm dark Lulu pigment and you can use on the pale cool lips. And the next pigment is Malbec. It's rich burgundy red with a slightly cool undertone, so I don't recommend using on very cool lips, but in the mix with the Illume you can achieve very beautiful results. I love to use this color on pale and natural lip colors. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn more.